Let me show you how you can use this platform to send bulk SMS. So if you're looking for software that will help you send SMS maybe to USA, UK, Canada, any country in the world, it's 100% guaranteed that it's going to deliver. With this software, you are 100% assured your SMS is going to deliver. So let me show you a demo of it. So let's go to click campaign and click send. Sorry, so let's choose my recipient. So let's just use it. This is my USA Google voice number. So let's just copy the content. So your message was successfully delivered. So let me see, this is my Google voice that's already delivered. And I'm very sensitive. Let me see that's it works. So that's delivered already. So also you can also do the campaign. So all you have to do is just come to your contact, add a name. So just enter your group name, US Mustafa, fifth, click on save. So click import. So you have two ways to upload your contact on this platform. You can just upload your contact device via CLS or SLSS. So just upload your contact and make sure there's 4 column and it include a country code. So if you're sending to USA, make sure there's plus and there's one in front of it. You don't put plus, the software is going to add that already. So or you can just copy and paste. With this option, you can upload 1,000 number at a row. 1,000 number. So if you are sending more than 1,000 number in your campaign, so just use the upload method. So just copy. So you can see this total number of recipients is 2. That is one right as well. So and we have two numbers there. So the reason is that at the end of each number we should add comma. So you can see that's changed to 2. So they just this is a demo for you. Just going to click on save. So the contact as upload. So let me let's see if you come to your SMS campaign. There, choose your contact group. Let's put a message. So you can also schedule your campaign. You want to schedule it. So it does also you want to add tag to it, maybe want to include username. You can also include maybe you upload contact that have users name on them. So you want to put their name in your SMS. You can just add the tag to it. So amazing. So let's click on send. Your campaign have been successfully, so within few seconds of minutes is going to send. So deliver. So that's deliver. So that's how it works. It's an amazing software. So if you want to build this type of software for checking this video description. So also this software support voice, MMS, WhatsApp, uh, chat box. So it's supported box. Maybe you are using another API that supports ways like Tulu. So when you message your customer and they reply your message, you are going to see it here. This is able to do bulk SMS. This is the software you need 100% assurance your SMS is going to deliver. So thank you for watching this video. If you want to build this software, message us on WhatsApp or Telegram by checking the description below. Thank you. See you again.